Hello beautiful people, welcome to another video and I warmly welcome you to my channel. On today's video, I want to show you the easiest way to make Nigerian Moi Moi. I know you have heard about Nigerian Moi Moi. It is also known as beans pudding. And I'm giving a shout out to my amazing sister, the Kali Rose Experience. I hope this video will help you. Guys, making Nigerian Moi Moi can be this easy. Like there's nothing hard about making Nigerian Moi Moi. Follow me closely, just do whatever you see me do on your screen. If you have any question, you're not sure of any step, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than excited to help you. A quick one, you can boil your egg and put it in the moi moi batter, or you can just do what I did, whereby I just crack my egg and put it directly in the moi moi batter. I am now putting in my palm oil followed by water. You put water until your batter has this exact consistency. Don't make it too thick, else your pudding is going to be over thick after you cook it. The moi moi batter is a combination of beans, habanero pepper, chili pepper and bell peppers. You're going to put the peppers to your taste. It depends on how spicy you want your batter to be. And I also added onions, but the first thing you do is to shell your beans. You can add in the onions and all the peppers you are using before blending and getting your perfect batter. Guys, don't forget, subscribe, like and share for more. Do have a blessed and a beautiful day. Bye guys.